We start with 1 hour chart. We analyze the based on Binance, because we mentioned for the Binance and the HIT BTC, they have a different prices for the mentioned coin. And based on Binance, right now the price almost 3.6. Okay. Anyway, if we refer to our analyzer, since the price was within since the price was within this correction, we have been looking for buy. There was a second opportunity, and this is what we get. And now we want to see whether we can get for the next trade or not. I mean, this one can give us one more trade. All right. Anyway, we start with daily chart. Based on daily chart, I move all these things to 1 hour chart. All right. Okay. Based on daily chart, the only things we can discuss is whether we can get the continuation, because we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, or we can mostly we can expect the price to give us the consolidate for longer time within this range before we get the breakout of the top. But the best things we're looking for, we want to see the continuation. All right. And if we move to, for the reason is, if we move to forward chart, the way it's moving is mostly because we get the trade from here, and now we're looking for the next trade. That means still we can get the correction similar to what we have here. Still we can look for continuation. But if we get any correction here, if for the next move, what we were looking for, we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move, because the way it's moving is quite different from what we get here. That's why I made this one slowly turn to a corrective, and without breaking the top, either give us a one more drop or deeper correction. Okay, it depends. We cannot confirm right now. All it depends before the breakout of this top within this range. What's the next? How we can look for trade, whether the sharp move or corrective move. Anyway, the only things we do it'll be looking for the correction similar to what we have here. If we get, still we can look for the next trade. And even we're getting any trade from now, we consider as a short term, short term and a sharp move, right? Now, the only way to look for trade based on 1 hour chart, we're looking at this, all right? And we prefer this one turn to deeper, okay? It doesn't matter, because if the price continue from here, the only way to look for trade, the having entry above this. But if this one turn to a deeper, similar to what we get here, maybe we can look for the reversal with the flag. Anyway, any trade from here, the first target, when the price tag 0.397, we start to manage, following by 0.424. This is where we book some profit, at least move our stop loss to the first target. Okay. And if I move to 15 minutes, as I mentioned, still we can expect for this. Still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. If this one turn to a deeper, it can give us better trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can, because the only way, if the price reverse from here, the only way we can look for trade, we can have entry above this. And what we're looking, we look for the sharp move. But if this one turn to a deeper correction, we can look for the trade setup as a reversal with a sharp move and flag. Okay. Anyway, we're looking for, still we can look for buy, and all depends what we will get here. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.